When use computer to fax out by printer and show an error message, incorrect account ID. Generally, it means that job accounting have set for the printer, but the computer did not enter the relevant settings. On the Windows 11, go to Start and click Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Printers and Scanners. Select the target network fax driver. Click Printing Preferences. Click Fax TX Setting. Select Authentication. Tick Job Accounting. Enter the same account ID as the printer login. Finally, press OK to complete.